Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equation. So now I will show you how to answer. So in this situation, I need to divide and we need to have complementary solution and particular solution. So about this one, I will put about SC and there should be about e to the power of lambda a. We put about t, lambda t. So if we do first derivative of this one, so we have lambda e to the power of lambda t. And if we do second derivative, we have lambda square e to the power of lambda t. Because first derivative of this one, we keep this one in here and we continue do first derivative of this one. That's why we have lambda. Later that this one we do the same technique and we have another lambda. That's why we have lambda square in here. Now we have this equation in here. Because this is about complementary solution, so this one equals to number 0. So we have this one in here. We change for st. This one change for first derivative. And the last one we change for second derivative. So we have lambda square e to the power of lambda t plus 2 lambda e to the power of lambda t plus 17 e to the power of lambda t equals to number 0. So we have this one in here. We can do about factorization. So we just have this one in here equals to number 0 because this one cannot equal to number 0. We calculate about this one and we have two solutions. That is about negative number 1 plus 4i and negative number 1 negative 4i. So we have SC equal to C number 1 e to the power of negative number 1 plus 4i everything multiplied by t plus C2 e to the power of negative minus 1 negative 4i multiplied by t. Next, because we have the complex number in here, we can write in this way: C1 e to the power of negative s sine 4, sine 4t, not s in here, sine 4t plus c number 2 e to the power of negative t cosine 4t. And this is the answer for complementary solution. Now I go to particular solution. We just have only e to the power of negative 4t. So that means SB, I will put about a e to the power of negative 4t. If we do first derivative of this one, we have negative 4a e to the power of negative 4t. If we do second derivative, we have 16 a e to the power of negative 4t. Now we have this equation in here. So we need to put this one go in here, this one go in here, and this one go in here. So we have 16 a e to the power of negative 4t. Number 2 with negative number 4, we have negative a e to the power of negative 4t. And this one go in here. So we have 17 a e to the power of negative 4t equals to e to the power of negative 4t. Next, we simplify 16 minus a plus 17 equals to 25 a e to the power of negative 4t. But we have only one coefficient of this one is about 1. That means 25a equals to number 1. So we can find the value of capital A. That's about 1 over 25. So after we find capital A in here, we have SB. So we put 1 over 25 in here. And we have the final answer. So we have S equal to SC plus SB. SC, we have this one. SB, that's about this one. So we sum two of them. Now, the question, we have the conditions in here. When t when t equal to number 0, this one we have number 0. So we put t number 0 going here, 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 and here. So sine of 0 we got about 0. Cosine of 0 we have 1. This one you have number 1. So we have C number 2. This one we have 1 over 25 equal to number 0. Now, the dot in here is about first derivative. So if we do first derivative of s, we will have about, so we have first derivative of this one, we have negative first derivative of sine 4t, we have 4 cosine 4t. First derivative of this one, we have negative. First derivative of cosine 4t, we have negative sine 4t. And we do first derivative of this one, we have negative number 4. Now we put number 0 go in here. This one 0. This one we have 4C1. This one we have negative C2. this one 0. This one we have negative 4 over 25. And that is equal to number 2. And now we have the system of equations. So we have this one in here. And this one in here. So we calculate about C1 and C2. And we can find the solution in here. C2 is about negative 1 over 25. C1 53 over 100. And now we put back to this equation in here. So this one we put about 53 over 100. C2 we put negative 1 over 25. And this is the answer for the question we need to find in here. That's the end. Thank you for watching.